Hey guys, Tom Fernandez coming to you with more social media tips. And today, guys, I want to talk about Facebook stories. In a previous video, I mentioned how important Facebook stories are becoming. More people are utilizing them, and it's a great way to build your brand, market your business, and make offers online. Now, one of the things that I was going to want to talk about today is how to make your Facebook stories look good. How to pretty them up so that they catch people's attention and they catch people's eye, so that you stand out amongst the other people who are posting stories on Facebook. So I'm going to go through the few steps here. I'm going to show you using my phone. So step number one is download an app called Canva, Canva. Once you download that app, go ahead and click on it. Once you click on Canva, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to all categories. Once you're in all categories, I'm going to show you different types of way to do it. But the first one I'm going to show you is how to do a story. So you scroll down and you look for the template that says Instagram story. Once you click on there, there's different templates, different formats. You can go to see all. And once you're in here, you can look for one that catches your eye. So for example, I'm going to just click this one and I'm going to hit edit. Once you hit edit, you can change the different elements. So for example, you click on the picture of this gentleman here. You can go ahead and insert, picture of yourself or whatever picture that you want. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to look for, a picture that I want to put in there, for my specific brand. So let's take a look with this picture here. The next thing you can do is you can actually add text. So when you hit the plus button here at the bottom, you go ahead and add text. You can add, different styles as you can see here, or you can just add some text of your own. So let's say this is one of my mentors. So I'm going to go ahead and type in, let's see, mentorship is key. And then once you do that, you can change the color. So I'm going to change it to like a red. I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to bold it. All right. And I'm going to put it somewhere where people can see it. Put it somewhere here at the bottom. So what ends up happening is I just created a custom, Facebook story that fits the screen. You hit the right corner, you hit save. You hit save as, and then you hit download. Now, once this is prepared, once it's done preparing your design, the next step would be go to Facebook, go to your stories, hit the plus sign, and you enter that it fits precisely into the screen, and then you hit share. Now that's just creating a standard, using a standard template just to create a standard story. The next thing I want to show you is how to create an animated one. So again, you go to Canva. When you're in Canva, you want to make sure that you go to all categories again. And then it's the first one, animated social. Now the reason I like animated is there's little animated things that catch people's attention. For example, as you can see here, this one has an animated little, looks like a little fireworks that pop up. So you go in here, and what you can do is you can change the picture. So let's say I want to use this one about family, right? I'm going to put my daughter, and then I'm going to put, you can actually change the text, and I want to put my love. And then I'll just type something in here. She's my world. Once I'm done with that, I take a look at it. I like exactly how it is. Maybe change the text up a little bit. Hit save here at the top. Hit save here at the side. Then I'm going to upload it. And then once I'm done, I can hit Facebook stories here at the bottom. And boom, this shows up on my Facebook story. And I hit share. So that's how simple it is. If you guys want to make your Facebook stories look good, animate them a little bit, simply using an app called Canva that you can use on your phone. As you can see, it took me less than 2-3 minutes to do so. So if you like tips like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time I post tips like this. Appreciate you guys for jumping on. As always, your success is important to me.